A Boxabl casita arrives in a clean, essential, code-ready base form. You're getting a fully engineered modular core with plumbing, electrical, finishes, and all the appliances you see here, straight from the factory. From there, your contractor can take over with exterior elements that change from region to region and help you dial in your personal style. Exterior cladding is a great example. The casita ships with our standard exterior system, but once it's installed, you can explore different customization options, similar to how you would remodel a traditional home. Work with your contractor to understand what's possible, what fits your local code, and what matches the look you're going for. Roof requirements vary as well. Some areas require a pitched roof to meet local regulations. The casita doesn't include that, however, by default, because every city has its own slope and structural rules. If you need a full pitched roof system, your contractor will handle that part. We also offer a roof kit solution for specific regions where codes call for an added roof element. It's designed for compliance and simplicity, not a big, steep traditional roof. If you want something more architectural, that's where your contractor comes in with custom solutions. And if you want to see a great exterior project, check out this video where 6 casitas were stacked on another 6 in Oklahoma City. If you got more questions about cladding, roofs, or any other customization options, drop them in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.